Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi life. I hope you're well wherever you are. Today we're going to show you how to make a perfect cup of Turkish tea. Turkish tea is very famous and it's known for its strong black tea aroma. Turkish tea can be drunk at any time of the day, and it's impossible to think of the Turkish breakfast with its assortment of items without Turkish tea. To make the perfect Turkish tea, you need a Turkish tea maker. Turkish tea maker has two pots. There's the kettle and the teapot. The teapot is where you brew the tea, and the tea kettle is where you boil the water. There are two types of Turkish tea makers. There's the steel stovetop, which is more difficult for beginners. If you can't adjust the heat and the time, the tea will taste bitter and get cold very quickly. The better option is the modern electric version with a keep warm function to keep the tea warm for hours. One of the best tea makers available in the market is the Saki tea maker. With its keep warm function, the tea will stay perfect temperature for hours. Let's make some Turkish tea. First, fill the kettle with water up to the maximum line, and then press the electric switch to boil the water. When the water has boiled, the electric switch will turn off. Now don't forget to keep the keep warm button switched on at all times. To make the perfect tea, the tip is to boil the same water 2 or 3 times. Now that the water is ready, it's time to brew the tea leaves. Turkish tea leaves are black and grow in the northern part of Turkey. Second tip for the perfect tea is to mix the tea leaves with the 2 different Çaykur packages shown. For 4 people serving, use 3 tablespoons of tea. Put the tea mix into the filter of the tea kettle. With a stainless steel filter, there is no need to use an extra strainer. Now put the boiled water from the kettle into the filter on the top. Stop when the teapot is 3/4 filled with water. Now fill up the kettle with more water until it reaches the max line again. And don't forget to keep the keep warm switch on all time. For the perfect tea, wait 20 minutes for the tea to brew. Third tip is, while you're waiting for the tea to brew, again boil the water in the kettle 1 or 2 times. This will help with the taste and the color. Color of the tea should look like this. Some people prefer to drink the tea with sugar. However, if you want the real aromatic taste of the tea, drink it without adding sugar. Turkish people drink tea in these tulip-shaped glasses. The small plates allow you to carry them easily. Last tip is not to fill the whole glass and give room from the rim to hold the tea when you are drinking it. Now it's time to enjoy your perfect tea with a perfect Turkish breakfast. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me a lot. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, my friends, stay safe, stay blessed.